The new Outlook app for Windows is something people either really like or strongly dislike. Even with all the negative feedback, Microsoft has made it the default email client for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Recently, many users have reported that the new Outlook simply refuses to open. When they click the icon, nothing happens, no loading, no error, nothing. Because of this, they cannot access their emails on that device at all. Some users are using a temporary workaround by signing in through Outlook Online, which at least lets them read and send emails until the issue is fixed. Microsoft has not officially acknowledged this problem yet, but the number of reports online shows that the issue is. According to those reports, the problem started after a recent Outlook update that rolled out over the past few days. There is also a workaround circulating online that involves deleting a user profile folder, but it comes with a risk of losing data. Because of that risk, it is not recommended for most users. If your Outlook is not opening, the safest approach is to use Outlook Online for now and wait for Microsoft to release an official fix. However, there is some good news. A new Outlook update recently appeared in the Microsoft Store. Many users received this update yesterday, and there is a strong chance that this update might fix the problem. If you are experiencing the issue, simply open your Microsoft Store, check for updates, and make sure Outlook for Windows is updated to the latest version. Even though I personally did not face the issue, other users are reporting that the update may resolve the problem. If you were affected, install the update and let me know in the comments whether it fixed the issue for you. I'm sharing this to keep you informed, just like always. If your Outlook app hasn't been launching, you're definitely not the only one. Thanks for watching.